Let me begin by reaffirming the DFA's commitment to protecting the Philippines' sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction. The DFA will continue to champion the Philippine position in the maritime domain through the effective use of diplomacy to facilitate responsible and principled approaches that lead to positive outcomes. To help achieve this, we will continue to engage our counterparts in a firm and professional manner, consistent with the mutual respect that must prevail in all diplomatic interactions. The DFA will continue to be guided by the President's directive as the chief architect of Philippine foreign policy, and not to allow ourselves to be sidetracked by the jeers of some casual commentators, non-practitioners, and self-styled experts. There were those who wrongly thought that the letter of Foreign Affairs Secretary Maria Teresa Lazaro to Senator Risa Ontiveros was leaked, when in fact, the Secretary gave the permission to the good Senator to release it to the public. The DFA's professional diplomats ensured that the substance, intricacies, and nuances that drive diplomatic interactions are not trapped within inflexible walls that offer no meaningful alternatives.